Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh and Yakshimash. We are in Brighton, let me turn you around. So there we go, we are in the hustle and bustle leaving Brighton right now. We have Smithster at the wheel, hello, me, and there's a passenger in the back but wishes to remain anonymous. Hello passenger in the back that wishes to remain anonymous.
I'm happy to wave, but...
He's happy to wave, you can see his hand and that's about it. So we are going to be delivering these two Hoover Juniors that I've refurbed recently, which is the Dirt Searcher and the other one that I can't remember the name of. The green one, the teal green one. So we're going to be delivering them because I thought it would be a good idea to hand deliver them for a change and make a video for you guys.
I'm sure that's illegal, driving like that.
Phil is an angry driver. He's like a little squirrel on steroids when he's driving, very angry.
Well, if people would actually use the pavement...
Well, they put the pavement on by now.
So anyway, so we've got a 2-hour journey, well, hour and a half journey ahead of us to get there.
Not if I've got anything to do with it.
We're going to put our feet to the floor and pedal. We are in an Astra after all. And so anyway, so I'll take some video of the journey there and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so we just stopped for something to drink, something to eat, a pit stop, toilet break / break. We're about an hour away from our destination. Oh, he wants to be in it. He wants to be in it now. So yeah, we're about that far away and journey's been fine, to be honest. Weather's quite nice outside, so taking in the views and just chillaxing on the way. Okay guys, and here we are. They are finally in their new home, and are you happy with them? I've given him a quick demonstration of them. Like I said, this one was his actual childhood machine, but you do have the bumper for it. I did say that in the refurb video. He does have the bumper for it, so that'll be going back on there. And yeah, I think we have brought the shine back to these machines. So I'd like to thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to work on them for you, and I'm really glad that you were happy with them. Very happy. Yes. So there we go guys, very quick video for you today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye y'all. Look at those carpet lines. So we dropped off the vacuums, as you would have seen, and then we were there chatting and having a cup of tea, and then he happened to mention that this is like an extra bit on the video now. He happened to mention this old piece of furniture that he had that was technology from 1943 that doesn't require any electric, and it's kind of there in the back. Yeah, I ended up coming away with a 1943 gramophone unit, like the height of technology back in 1943. Phil, do you remember?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's a shame. So yeah, a gramophone. I'll put a picture up now.